What's up, my fellow mechanics? Just got back from the junkyard and scored both of these third brake light, Escalade third brake lights for an 07 and up. This one matches the color of my truck. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna need you a 10 mil, and a T15. You see it matches. $10 mil. $10 mil. Make sure you don't lose no screws or whatever. T15. T15. Hold on. Sorry, I forgot to tell you to get this up, to get the glass up. Push this button right here. If your button works, these buttons like to go out. Mine's went out and I had to manually. You see, this is all open. I had to manually open mines to pop that button to get to these screws. So yeah, I had this truck for 5 years and today's my first time opening it. So slowly close it. See it moving freely. Can't see. Hold on. You're gonna take your little flathead, pull that back. Or wait, up here. Pull that back. And then once you pull that back, hold on. She's free. %100% free. You see, it's literally plug and play. Just snap it in. You see, that's the Escalade one. Do a test fit, make sure you like how it looks. And then go back underneath. Go back underneath with your T15 and get all these. Boom. Boom. And boom. Because it won't sit flush until you get that off. So once you know what I'm saying, you could probably throw these away because you're gonna be using the ones that came from the glass. So let me give you after final result look. Hold on. One more thing, you need to make sure that this this seam is in there. You gotta make sure that that's in there nice and snug, because you know what I'm saying, if it overlaps this, and when you open the trunk, it's gonna be scratching that up. So make sure you make sure that this is tucked in, so that way when you open it, it won't be scratching up. You can't get that part messed up wrong, because you know it wouldn't line up with the hose if it wasn't on there right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me quit talking y'all ear off and let me put this together and show y'all the final results. Put everything back together and let's get it. Okay. Oh yeah. We in the game, baby. Plug and play it. Third Escalade brake light.